Hello, welcome to a brief overview of UCSB transfer eligibility and selection where you'll receive your key points to knowing all you need to know about transferring to UCSB. The minimum requirements for transferring to any UC campus include the 7-course pattern, 60 semester or 90 quarter units of UC transferable credit, a 2.4 GPA for California residents, and a 2.8 for non-California residents, specific major preparation requirements as well. The 7-course pattern consists of 2 English courses, 1 math course, and 4 courses from at least 2 of the following areas: arts and humanities, behavioral and social sciences, and biological and physical sciences. Here at UCSB, there is some required major preparation for some of our selective majors. Required major preparation includes a set of courses that you'll need to complete before transfer for a specific major with a required GPA and required grades that you need to earn in that specific coursework. There are required major preparation, and there are also recommended major preparation courses that will help you with your timely degree process. Major preparation specifics can be found on our major prep guide as well as on assist.org for students who are transferring from California community colleges. It is very important to note that major preparation is extremely important and should be considered just as important as our minimum eligibility if you are considering a selective major at our campus. UCSB transfer selection is strongly based on academic preparation. We want to make sure that you have all of your requirements met, both for major preparation and for general admissions, and that you have those with a strong GPA. We also consider things like participating in our transfer admission guarantee for California community college students, completing your English and math requirements early on, and selecting an alternative major on the UC application if you're applying to one of our selective majors. Some UC campuses will focus on a combination of extracurricular activities as well as academic preparation. UCSB's review is primarily focused on your academic preparation. UCSB is one of the 6 UC campuses that offers a transfer admission guarantee, or TAG, for students coming from California community colleges. TAG is a really awesome program where if you're a student who has above a 3.4 cumulative GPA by the fall term before transfer, meet the rest of the TAG requirements, complete your general UC requirements and any selective major preparation requirements, you may be eligible to get a guaranteed admissions. TAG is open to most majors in the College of Letters and Sciences except for our Dance Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Fine Arts, Music Bachelor of Arts, and our Theater Bachelor of Fine Arts majors, but you have 80 plus majors to choose from within the College of Letters and Sciences that you can get a guaranteed admission to. TAG is not available to our College of Engineering or our College of Creative Studies. The UC Transfer Admission Guarantee application is available through the UC Tab tool, and you're able to submit that through September 1st to September 30th. Make sure that you're also submitting a UC application with that same campus and the same selected majors. More information on TAG can be found through our admissions website or by visiting the TAG matrix to view TAG requirements across the UC system. The University of California is happy to support students coming from California community colleges. Students from California community colleges have access to assist.org, where you're able to see all of the transferable coursework from your community college to UC campuses, as well as viewing your selective major requirements. California community college students are also able to access the transfer admission guarantee and have a guaranteed pathway to a UC education. Students also have access to designated California community college admissions counselors, so you're able to contact every specific admissions office with your questions. We do welcome applicants from non-California community colleges, but there are a few things that you'd want to note. Unfortunately, we are not able to pre-evaluate whether your coursework taken at a non-CCC will be transferable to a UC campus. We do have a guide to course transferability on our admissions website that you're able to access to get a gauge as to how we evaluate whether your course will be transferable. Students transferring from non-California community colleges unfortunately do not have access to the transfer admissions guarantee, and having coursework from non-California community colleges may put you at risk of going into senior level standing. Thank you so much for joining today. If you have any follow-up questions, please feel free to contact us through the admissions@ucsb.edu email, and you can schedule an appointment with a transfer admissions counselor through the Find Your Counselor tool on our admissions website.